Today I'm going to show you how to make this poster design in Canva. Go to create a design and type flyer. You can, you can upload your own image from here. We are going to use this one. Drag it to the design and resize it. Edit image and remove the background. Go to elements and type watercolor, photos, and choose the color that you want. Let's use the yellow in the filter. Let's use this one. Rotate it and increase the size to fit the frame. Go to layers, send backward. Go back to elements and type clouds. Let's use this type of clouds. And go to text, add new text, and change the font to plastic. Let's choose this one. Change the font color to white. And go to layers, send backward. And for making the frame, download it. Upload. Let's open new page and make a gray color. Drag it to the design. Go to border style, increase a little bit the border and change the color to white. And if you want to make a drop shadow, just download it as PNG with transparent background. Upload it again. And now you can apply the drop shadow. Go to edit image, scroll down to shadows, drop. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.